Hey there, everybody. I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new link in Telegram so that you can create a link and share it with your friends, your colleagues in different groups. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself. And it will lead you to this chat page where what you have to do is choose any of the group or like channel or your friend, whatever. Let's choose this one right here, and let's at the very top you can see a profile icon. Let's tap in there and let's go to the edit option, which is again at the right top corner. And here you can see various options, in which you can see at the very third you can see an option that is invite links. Let's tap in there, and this is where you can create a new link. At the very bottom you can see a plus icon, and it's written create a new link. All you have to do is tap in there, and here you can customize the expiry date. You can customize the limit of the time, and you can also customize the number of users. It's unlimited. Let's keep it there. Simple. Let's not touch there. And let's give a name to this link. Okay, let's a random name, Joyful. And all you have to do is hit that create button over here at the very top right corner, and your link has been created. So this is how you create a new link in Telegram. Now, in order to share, you can simply tap in there and share the link among your friends, among the different channel and groups. So this is how you create new link in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.